When you need to fire dozens or hundreds of Redis commands at once, waiting for a reply after each one wastes most of your time. Pipelining is how you fix that. Normally Redis is request reply, send a command, wait, send the next. Pipelining breaks that cycle by letting you stream all commands first, then read back all the responses in one go, cutting network wait time dramatically. Steps 1 through 3 happen entirely in your client's memory. No network traffic yet. On step 4, the whole buffer is flushed in a single write. Redis processes the commands sequentially and returns every reply together, so you only pay for one round trip. We send 4 set commands and an MGET through redis-cli in pipe mode. The client fires them all in one shot. The final MGET confirms every key landed correctly, no round trip paid per command. When reviewing a PR, the most common pipeline bug is using the result of one command to decide the next command inside the same pipeline. That is not possible without a separate round trip. Also watch for code that skips reading replies, which silently swallows errors. Pipelining is one of the easiest wins for bulk Redis workloads, but it comes with a contract. You must read the replies, you must not depend on intermediate results, and you must remember it is not a transaction.